The new AirPods Pro 3 is here, and with iOS 26, they've brought some best new features we've ever seen, like live translation, heart tracking, camera control, that you need to turn on right now to make the best use of your AirPods. And also we'll show you a fitness settings once only possible on Apple Watch. Now we can do it from your AirPods. So right after unboxing it, you can pair it with any Android if you want. But the functionalities will be very limited in that case. So to explore its full potential, we recommend you to connect it with your iPhone or any other Apple devices. So while setting up, you will be prompted with different types of features. If you have skipped it now, don't worry, we're going to talk about it in the settings. So as you can see, there is no charger that comes with the box. So you can charge it with any Type-C cable. Just go ahead and connect it to any power source, including your smartphone or any iPhone. And your AirPods Pro 3 supports wireless charging. So you can charge it by connecting it to your Apple Watch charger or MagSafe or any other third-party wireless charger. So let's talk about the settings. You can check out your AirPods settings from your iPhone settings to AirPods individual settings or from Bluetooth. Just hit the info icon on your AirPod and there you go. So first you can check out your AirPods current battery from here separately if you take off the buds from the case. Next, in listening mode, as you can see, you can switch between transparency, adaptive, and noise cancellation. If you scroll down and enable off listening mode and then press OK, an off option will appear in this list. And apart from manually switching it, every time when you hold down any of your bud stem, it'll keep switching between all these modes. But you gotta wear both of the buds. Here's an interesting settings. If you scroll down for accessibility, you can enable noise cancellation with just one AirPod. Now let's get back to the settings. Now talking about button press, in press and hold section, you can customize which functions will be activated from your left or right earbuds, buttons, press or long press. You can also slightly customize the call control function and select single or double press to take and also mute the calls. In here, if you keep scrolling down, you'll find a head gesture. If you enable it, you can accept or decline your phone calls just by nodding your head up and down or side to side, depending whatever you have set in here. But the music controls are defaultly set. Like you gotta tap once on either buds to play and pause the music, double tap on any bud to skip to the next track, and triple tap to go to previous track. And while playing music, you need the volume control option. So if you go to accessibility and enable volume swipe in here, you can then swipe up and down on your AirPods stem to increase or decrease the volume. This option is pretty smooth. Now under audio, you'll get a bunch of different options. Like you can enable personalized volume to adjust media sound according to your ambience. If you enable conversation awareness, it'll automatically lower the music volume when you start speaking, so you do not have to adjust it by yourself every time. You can also reduce sudden loud sound in your ambience to protect your ear. In customized adaptive audio, you can select how much ambient sound should slip through your AirPods when you're on adaptive mode. You can also set up personalized special audio. Just go ahead, follow the prompts on your screen one after another, and just set it up so you will get a surround sound or 360-degree effect. After enabling it, you can quickly access it by swiping down your control panel, tap and hold over the soundbar, and there it is. It might be grayed out first to just play literally anything, and then it'll be clickable. You can then select fixed or head-tracked special audio, even turn it off right from here. So another one of the newest feature is the camera control. So if you enable it from here and then select the trigger gesture, after launching your iPhone's camera, just single or double press whatever you've selected on your AirPods stem will take photo for you. And also start recording video if you're on the video mode. The same gesture will turn off recording. Well, let's get back to settings once again. There is another one of my favorite new feature, live translation. Just go ahead, download the language that you need to translate, maybe while visiting another country, and then just open the translation app, tap on the live option, select their language and your own language, and then simply start translating whenever you want. You can also enable live translation without touching your device. Just press and hold on both of your AirPods stem, and live translation will automatically enable. Now, next on our settings is the best ear tip speed that you can check from here. You can watch a demo about your ear tip and also how to wear your AirPods properly. You can then test the acoustic seal and see if your ear tip fits perfectly, or maybe you need to change or mix and match with two different sizes. Now, another brand new feature is heart rate tracking. If you have enabled it from here, your AirPod will track your heart rate, and you can take a look at it from any third-party app or the Apple's Health app. And if Siri is enabled, you can also open Settings, go to Privacy and Security, go to Health app, or maybe any third-party app will show up in here if you're using that. From there, tap on Siri and just enable access to your health data. And then, whenever you want, just say, "Hey Siri, show my heart rate," and Siri will immediately show your heart rate on your screen. Finally, there is an option called Workout Buddy that previously needed your Apple Watch, but you can now use it with your AirPods. Just open the fitness app, go to Workout, and then tap on this button at the top right corner. And from here, just select your AirPods Pro 3. It will fetch and track the data straight from your AirPods. So which one of these features you're most excited about? Let us know in the comment section. Enjoy your new AirPods Pro 3. Thanks for watching.